Imagine if you could travel across the entire planet in just a few minutes. You would walk through frozen deserts colder than Mars, climb mountains so high they touch the edge of space, explore rainforests filled with creatures found nowhere else, and discover places where the very first humans took their first steps. Our planet is divided into 7 continents. Each one has its own unique story, incredible landscapes, fascinating cultures, and amazing wildlife. Some are home to billions of people. Others have no permanent residence at all. By the end of this video, you'll understand what makes each continent special, and I promise you'll see Earth in a completely different way. But before we begin, I have a challenge for you. Which continent would you love to visit the most? Comment your answer below before the video ends, and let's see which continent wins. And if you enjoy learning amazing facts about our world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another adventure. Now, let's explore every continent on Earth. Asia, the giant. Asia is the largest continent on Earth, covering nearly 1/3 of all land. It's also home to more than 4.8 billion people, meaning roughly 6 out of every 10 people on Earth live here. But Asia isn't just big, it's unbelievably diverse. In the north lies Siberia, where winter temperatures can drop below -60 degrees Celsius. Farther south are tropical jungles packed with elephants, orangutans, and tigers. In the west, enormous deserts stretch farther than the eye can see, and in the center rise the mighty Himalayas, home to Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. Asia is also where many of the world's oldest civilizations were born. Ancient kingdoms built magnificent cities thousands of years before many parts of the world had even developed agriculture. Some of today's largest religions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, and many philosophical traditions, began here. Today, Asia is also leading the future. It is home to some of the world's fastest growing economies, cutting-edge technology, and some of the biggest cities ever built. From Tokyo's neon skyline to India's ancient temples and China's Great Wall, Asia feels like dozens of different worlds combined into one giant continent. If Earth had a beating heart, many people would say it beats in Asia. Africa, humanity's birthplace. Africa isn't just another continent, it's where the story of humanity began. Scientists believe the earliest modern humans evolved here more than 300,000 years ago, before spreading across the rest of the world. Every person alive today can trace their distant ancestry back to Africa. The continent contains 54 countries and more than 2,000 different languages, making it the most linguistically diverse place on Earth. Africa is a land of incredible contrasts. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. The Congo rainforest is the second largest rainforest after the Amazon. The Nile River is one of the longest rivers on the planet. Africa is famous for its wildlife. Lions, elephants, giraffes, rhinos, zebras, gorillas, and cheetahs all call this continent home. But Africa is much more than safaris. Its cities are expanding rapidly. Its population is the youngest in the world. Its technology and innovation are growing every year. Africa is not only where humanity began, it may also play one of the biggest roles in humanity's future. North America, land of extremes. North America is a continent of dramatic contrasts. In the far north lies the icy Arctic. Farther south are lush forests, giant mountain ranges, deserts, grasslands, and tropical beaches. It includes Canada, the United States, Mexico, and many island nations throughout the Caribbean. North America is home to some of the world's largest economies and has produced countless scientific discoveries, technological breakthroughs, movies, music, and inventions that have influenced nearly every country on Earth. Nature here is just as impressive. Massive grizzly bears roam the forests. Bison once covered the plains in enormous herds. The Grand Canyon reveals nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history in its colorful rock layers. From bustling cities with millions of people to untouched wilderness stretching for hundreds of kilometers, North America truly is a continent of extremes. South America, nature's kingdom. If nature had a capital city, it might be South America. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. It contains millions of species of plants and animals, many of which haven't even been discovered yet. The Amazon River carries more water than any other river on the planet. Running along the western edge of the continent are the Andes Mountains, the longest continental mountain range in the world. South America is also rich in history. Long before European explorers arrived, powerful civilizations built cities high in the mountains and developed advanced farming techniques. Today, the continent is famous for its colorful festivals, passionate football culture, beautiful beaches, and breathtaking landscapes. Few places on Earth contain so much life in one region. Europe, small but powerful Europe, may be one of the smallest continents, but its impact on history has been enormous. Many ideas that shape today's world, including democracy, modern science, industrialization, and many philosophical movements, developed here. Europe is filled with castles, cathedrals, museums, and ancient cities that are hundreds or even thousands of years old. Despite its relatively small size, Europe contains dozens of countries, each with its own language, traditions, and unique culture. Today, Europe is known for its historic architecture, world-famous landmarks, excellent transportation systems, and high quality of life. Its influence on art, literature, music, and education continues to shape the modern world. Australia and Oceania, the island. World Australia is the smallest continent, but one of the most extraordinary. Because it remained isolated for millions of years, many of its animals evolved nowhere else on Earth. Kangaroos, koalas, wombats, emus, and even the duck-billed platypus are unique to this part of the world. Surrounding Australia are thousands of islands that together form Oceania. Many of these islands are home to rich cultures that have existed for thousands of years. The region also contains the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system on Earth, visible even from space. Although Australia has one of the smallest populations among the continents, its wildlife and landscapes make it one of the most fascinating places on Earth. Antarctica, the frozen continent. Now we arrive at the most mysterious continent of them all, Antarctica. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Nearly 98% of the continent is buried beneath a thick sheet of ice. No country owns Antarctica. Instead, nations work together to protect it and use it for peaceful scientific research. Scientists study climate change, ancient ice, space weather, and unique wildlife here. Penguins, seals, and whales thrive in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Beneath the ice are hidden mountains, ancient lakes, and clues about Earth's distant past. If all of Antarctica's ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise dramatically, reshaping coastlines around the world. Antarctica reminds us just how powerful and fragile our planet really is. 7 continents, 7 incredible worlds. Each one has its own history, climate, wildlife, people, and unforgettable landscapes. Together, they make Earth one of the most extraordinary planets we know. So, which continent amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can, and I'd love to know your answer. If you enjoyed this journey around the world, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another mind-blowing video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.